Good morning, kindergarten friends. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Let's take a look at our morning message. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. We will learn about the letters S, S, M, and A, and the words am and at. And we've talked about these letters already, but now we're really focusing on them the whole week long. And those two kindergarten words, am and at. What sound does both am and at start with? You're right. If you think it's they start with the A, the letter A sound. All right, now we're going to do a thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm going to say some words, and if you hear an S anywhere in the word, I want you to put your thumbs up. So you got to be really good listeners. If you do not hear the letter S in the word at all, because sometimes you might hear it at the beginning, the middle, or the end, okay? Then you put your thumbs down if you don't hear it, okay? So the first one is right here, stuffing, stuffing. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Your thumb should be up because stuffing begins with the S sound. Good job. Okay, let's look at our next word. Turkey. Turkey. That should be down because there's no S sound in turkey. Good job. Okay, how about this next word? Potatoes. Potatoes. Your thumb should be up. You hear the S sound at the end of the word. Listen again. Potatoes. Yeah, good job. All right, the last one. Corn. Corn. Yep, your thumb should be down. There is no S sound in corn. Great job. I bet you all those words made you hungry for Thanksgiving feast, huh? All right, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Let's keep going down and checking out the rest of our morning message. Again, our letters of the week, because we're not doing just one letter now. We're putting in more, and we're working really hard to really get to learn that sound, and talk about them. If we hear those sounds at the beginning or the end, and different things that begin and end with those sounds. Okay, so our letters are M, S, and A. All right. Wonderful. Let's count down from 10. All right, here we go. Oh, let's get my little arrow ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Great job. All right, now we're going to make an A, B, C pattern. So today I'm going to do pilgrim, hat, turkey. Okay, so when I do an A, B, C pattern, I need 3 different pictures. Okay, pilgrim, hat, turkey. Now let's keep going. Pilgrim, hat, turkey. What's next? Yeah, pilgrim, hat, turkey. Wonderful. I bet you guys could make great ABC patterns also. You'll get to do that later on. All right. And we've talked about the letter Gray song. We have it on your seesaw, so please listen to it because we want you to be able to spell it, okay? Then we're going to take a look at kindergarten words that are important that we need to know. What's this one? Gray, orange, red, blue, the, am, at. Fabulous. All right. Okay, let's keep going. You guys are doing a great job. For activities for today, these are the things that are going to be on Seesaw. All right. I'm going to take a peek here. We're working on at. All right. So it's kind of the same thing that we did with am. A little more colorful. So you're going to write it here. You're going to look for it. I want you to read it. And then put it, it's going to be mixed up. You have to put it together. All right. Make sure you push that little green button so that I get to see your work. All right. The next thing is a sort. It's a letter sort. And we're talking about the letter A and the letter M. So if they begin with the sound, you're going to put it in the A. If it begins with the sound, you're going to put it in the M. Okay. So here are the things. There's the letter A. There's a monkey, an M. There's apple. This is a mask. There's a capital A, an ant, mustache, a capital M, and there is animals. Okay, so put those where they belong. If they begin with the letter A, put it in the A. If it begin with the M, you're gonna put an M. Make sure you push that check mark so I get to see your beautiful work. And you guys know all about the M. So do the capital M. Remember, there's 5 different slides. So make sure you do those. Then you're going to do, for math today, I'm putting on a color sorting activity Miss Pam has. And you, in your green folder, you got different color squares. And then so you're going to do a at-home color sort. And Miss Pam will explain that. There also, we'll put a video on about the count and paste. So they're looking at a 10 frame. You're going to count how many items in the 10 frame, and you're going to glue that that number, and that's also in your green folder. And then Miss Pam is reading you a story, Llama Llama Mad at Mama. All right. Then I would like you to do your Imagine Learning. So be sure to get that done. I think it takes about 15 minutes, and I can tell it'll show on my computer if you participated. So please participate. It's good practice for you, and it's right at your level. Otherwise, oh, yep, this is really important too. Small group Zooms today. So remember, you have a group, you have your Zoom at your particular time. I'll send out a reminder note, but be sure to get on there because we're talking about our letter M, and we're talking about the letter S and some rhyming and the letter A. And I really want you to work really hard and be able to see those things that we have for you. Okay, and last but certainly not least, have a wonderful day, you guys. We will talk to you really soon on Zoom. All right, bye, boys and girls.